In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a map wall in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. The first thing you need to do is you need to make a wall and fill it up with item frames, and each of these item frames is going to represent one piece of the map. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and create maps. Now, in order to do that, you will need a compass, which you can make using iron and redstone, and you will need paper, which paper can be made by harvesting sugarcane just like so. And then basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put paper all around, and you want to put a compass in the center of it. So you're going to need one compass for every map that you do make. So in this example, we do have a 9-block map wall. So that means we need to use 9 compasses over here, and we need to use a lot of paper. All right, and then once you're done with that, you will now notice that we will get something called an empty locator map. Now, let's go ahead and actually begin creating our map wall. So we basically need to fill up each of these single maps. So let's start off with the first one right over here, which you could do just by putting it next to you right over here, next to the map wall. And you just want to right click on it, and then you will notice that you will get this map right over here. So there you go. It is going to look something like this. And you will notice that we will get an arrow like towards the top. Now, you may get the arrow somewhere else, but the point is there is going to be a white arrow in your map, and that is basically your current location. So this is our current location right over here, and you will notice that the map is not fully filled in yet. So please make sure to go ahead and fill it in. So obviously you do have like a full map wall and stuff like that. So you'll notice that like that corner towards the bottom left wasn't filled in, but now it is filled in. So once your map is filled in like this, you can go ahead and begin placing it in your map wall. So we're just going to be starting from the center over here. And now you will notice that we will have something that looks like this, and you may need to go ahead and turn it around in order for it to actually look good. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and use the map that you started off with for reference, and we basically need to go ahead and continue generating the maps. So let's go ahead and generate the map that is to the right of this current map. So look at our arrow. You'll notice that our arrow is facing towards the right. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just keep on walking here, and you will notice that as we walk towards the corner, that arrow is going to turn into a dot. So look at this. That white arrow is now into a white dot, and now that you notice that it is a white dot, all you want to do is you want to take out your empty locator map one more time, and you want to generate an entire new map over here. And yep, as you're able to tell, we do have new terrain over here, so just go ahead and fully load it in. Okay, once you went ahead and loaded it in, you can go ahead and return back to your map wall. All right, then you want to go ahead and place it down, and as you're able to tell, it actually did get the job done. So let's go ahead and generate one more map, and let's generate the map right above this one. So this is the one we started off with. Let's go ahead and generate the next one. So we need to go ahead and use our first map that we did use for reference. So here it is. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on walking forward, and as soon as the arrow turns into a dot, that is your cue to make a new map. So let's go ahead and keep on doing that. All right, so there you go. Let's go ahead and take out another empty locator map, right click on it, and let's go ahead and actually fill it out. All right, yep, so here it is. Let's go ahead and go towards this direction so we can fill out this map. All right, and then you want to go back over to your map wall, and you want to go ahead and place it in the right location. So again, you may need to go ahead and turn it in order for it to actually match up. So please keep that in mind. And basically, you want to repeat this process over and over again, and you can do it as many times as you want. And you basically want to keep on going until you completely fill up your map wall. If you guys found this video helpful so far, consider checking out our partners over at Simple Game Hosting. Simple Game Hosting offers affordable and high quality Minecraft servers where you're easily able to play Minecraft with you and your friends in your very own private 24/7 server. The best part about having your own Minecraft server is that you get to control every single aspect of it. You can make it Java only, Bedrock only, crossplay, etc. The choice is really up to you. And what's great about Simple Game Hosting is that they make it incredibly beginner friendly, as there's dozens of video guides showing you how to do everything, along with 24/7 live customer support where you can ask a Minecraft server expert any question throughout the day. And you are also easily able to upload mods, plugins, and even mod packs with a click of a single button. So guys, if that sounds interesting, feel free to check out the link in the description down below and in the pinned comment. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later, French fries.